Hey everybody, what's up? It's Chris, and I have a box. I've got a package here. So I'm going to do this a little bit different than I normally do. Usually I wait to get a bunch of boxes and I open them all up at once. But today, I got this perishable. I kind of already know what's inside, so I'm just going to dedicate this one video to this one box. And if I can get certain things like this, then maybe I'll dedicate more videos to just one package. Yeah, I'm excited to open this. So I do know where this is from. It's from my buddies over at Clean South, which is a vegan restaurant. I don't know, do they have an actual, you know, last time I was in California, they didn't actually have an actual restaurant building, but they would go to pop-ups and everything. And I also had them, I posted some pictures when I was at Eat Drink Vegan. I know that was a couple years ago now.
It's going to be 18. He's getting the
popcorn chicken. Boom! Look at that. Clean South. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Chris.
What do we have here?
It's like buffalo wing, mac and cheese, and pulled soy.
Okay.
So one of each.
We're out here with Clean South. Daniel,
How's it going?
be it Eat Drink Vegan, or they were at Eat Drink Vegan by the time you see this video. So they sold out tonight over here at Block Party, Highland Park. But they saved us some. We're lucky. We own. They got cornbread. Look at that. I can't just pick it up. I'm gonna get a bite. So good.
You can wash it down with your $6 coffee.
Yeah.
Worth every penny.
Done, friend.
Sure.
Oh. What do we have here?
It's the barbecue pulled soy with collards.
Ooh. Let's try that out. Oh yeah. I can see why you guys sold out. What do we have under foil number 2?
It's a mystery. Let's see.
Dun, da, da, da. Perfect weather out here in California today. Ooh, what is this one?
That's the buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings?
Yeah, it's seitan that we make ourselves.
Look at that.
Top seller.
Spicy?
Oh yeah.
Has that nice kick to it. Nice and zesty. That's good. One more.
Gotta get another one. Yeah.
Another one. Foil number 3.
That's gonna be the pimento mac and cheese.
Ooh, mac and cheese. Who says you can't eat good when you're vegan? Look at this. We're not missing out on nothing. This is mac and cheese, pimento. Look at that.
It's a follow your heart vegan cream cheese base. So we wanted to get that really creamy southern style mac and cheese. Didn't want it to be watery, had to be creamy. Also got the pimento red peppers.
That's good. I gotta come back over here again.
Every Thursday we're outside of Block Party here in Highland Park on York Boulevard. It's a vegan avenue here. We got so many options for you. And you can also find our prepackaged combo meals in stores around LA. We got Lassen's, Follow Your Heart Market, and a couple of coffee shops too. And this guy's been a fan of ours for a very long time.
Super fan.
Almost from the beginning. So
They're out in Red Cucamonga. We met.
Yeah.
Ever since then, I've been following them.
cheers.
Cheers.
Look at that. You go there for a couple samples and they give you like a week's worth of food.
Look, I'm doing curls.
My God. We got so much food today in like such a short amount of time, such a short period of time.
Night's not over either.
Super, super good food, and they got some of the best vegan southern fried chicken. And if you stick around for this video, I'm going to tell you how you could enter for a chance to win some of their products. All right, so this is what we have right here. So it's a taped up perishable. Ooh, it's actually all packaged up now. I was wondering. That's awesome. So they went from being a pop-up to actually having some really cool chicken there. We have 2 flavors here. Vegan honey. It's vegan honey. It's HONEE. Barbecue wings, and we got the vegan buffalo wings, which I'm going to make some of these right now. We're gonna try it out. So I'm super excited about this. And there's the 2 flavors here. You're gonna have a chance to win 2 flavors. So we're gonna do that over on my Instagram account, so you're going to want to go over there for details. It's the Vegan Zombie on Instagram. I know not everybody has Instagram, but Instagram is a free platform, so feel free to sign up for that free platform and go give me a follow. And also give Clean South a follow. I'll put all the details in there. We got to keep the good ones for the pictures, okay? So it looks like I'm going to make a little bit of each of them. Let's see what it says on the back. For they're certified vegan, of course. They're not gluten-free. These contain wheat gluten. All right, so it says preheat the oven to 425 degrees and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping once halfway through. You could also grill them or use a panini press, and they're also great cold. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna heat up my cast iron. I'm gonna heat them up that way. Ooh, I think they would look good in these little dishes here. The last time I used these, I made the popcorn chicken. All right, let's go ahead and open these. I want to make them separately so I get to taste, not all mixed together. It says it's good cold too, so I'm gonna try it cold. Delicious. That was a vegan honey barbecue. And we'll try the other ones too. If you live out there in LA, you can actually go to one of their pop-ups. I don't know where they've been doing them lately, but it was over on York Boulevard the last time I knew. All right, so here's the buffalo one. Let me try a little piece of this. Nice buffalo taste. Not too hot. I can totally handle this. I'm digging it. All right, that was fast. Didn't take long. I just heated it up in the cast iron over here. It's still making noises. And I'm gonna eat this for dinner. So again, Clean South. We're doing a giveaway. They're gonna give away one of each of these, and we're gonna do that over on my Instagram account. So go check that out. Well, there they are, Clean South. These came out amazing, and I highly recommend them. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.